Dutchess County is a large suburban and rural county comprising 841 square miles, which includes the Hudson River. It is the Dutchess County Sheriff's Office's mission to keep our county free of crime. The mission of the Law Enforcement Division of the Dutchess County Sheriff's Office is to enforce city, town and village ordinances, the state laws of New York, maintain peace and order in the county, protect property and the personal safety of its citizens, and generally assist citizens in varied situations.
April 17, 2023. 28 ounces of cocaine and fentanyl seized by Drug Task Force. Pleasant Valley. The Dutchess County Drug Task Force reports the arrest of Brian K. Whittle, age 47, for criminal possession of a controlled substance in first degree, a Class A1 felony, and 2 counts of criminal possession of a weapon in the second degree, a Class C felony. Mr. Whittle was arraigned at the town of Lagrange Justice Court and remanded to the Dutchess County Jail without bail. Mr. Whittle is also on federal probation. The Dutchess County Drug Task Force have been actively investigating drug dealers selling fentanyl or any drugs mixed with fentanyl due to the significant amount of drug overdose deaths in Dutchess County. The Drug Task Force identified a source of distribution for fentanyl being sold in bags stamped with a Chicago Bulls logo, which have been found at the scene of recent drug overdose deaths. After a lengthy investigation into drug sales in numerous locations in Dutchess County, a search warrant was executed by the Drug Task Force at Mr. Whittle's residence at Country Commons in the town of Pleasant Valley, resulting in approximately 28 ounces of cocaine, fentanyl, and 2 loaded illegal ghost guns being seized. The Dutchess County Drug Task Force was assisted by the City of Poughkeepsie Neighborhood Recovery Unit. October 6, 2023. Drug Task Force arrests alleged drug dealer selling narcotics while on probation. A Poughkeepsie, New York man was arrested, again, earlier last week for allegedly selling narcotics while already on probation for felony drug-related charges from 2022. On Friday, October 6, the Dutchess County Drug Task Force reported the arrest of a Poughkeepsie man who is not a stranger to local law enforcement. 22-year-old David Brooks Jr., of Poughkeepsie, was reportedly arrested on several Class B felony charges. 3 counts of criminal possession of a controlled substance in the third degree, as well as 3 counts of criminal sale of a controlled substance in the third degree. The task force reported that an investigation was launched after it was alleged that Brooks was selling narcotics while being supervised by Dutchess County Probation. Brooks was under supervision because of a prior felony drug charge that took place in 2022. Reports indicate that on October 4, a warrant was issued for the arrest of Brooks, following an indictment by the grand jury related to the sale of narcotics in the Poughkeepsie area. Following the warrant being issued, Brooks was located by Drug Task Force agents on the 5th of October at Dutchess County Probation, and he was taken into custody without any incident. He currently remains in Dutchess County Jail until his court arraignment. May 11, 2023. Search warrant leads to seizure of cocaine and cash in the town of Wappinger. A 34-year-old man was arrested Thursday morning after members of the Dutchess County Drug Task Force executed a search warrant at his Route 376 residence before dawn. Anthony Gonzalez has been charged with felony criminal possession of a controlled substance with intent to sell. The task force had been conducting an investigation into the sale of cocaine in the towns of Wappinger, East Fishkill, and the surrounding area. The investigation resulted in Gonzalez being identified as a suspect, leading to the early morning raid at his residence. The agents seized a large quantity of cocaine and cash during the raid. The Drug Task Force conducts investigations countywide, said Detective Sergeant Adam Harris after the raid. Regarding the ongoing efforts of the task force, he also said, "We will continue to arrest drug dealers for selling poison to vulnerable community members." The Dutchess County Drug Task Force currently consists of investigators from the Dutchess County Sheriff's Office and representatives from the City of Beacon, Town of Hyde Park, Town of East Fishkill Police, and City of Poughkeepsie Police Departments.
Equality before the law, also known as equality under the law. Equality in the eyes of the law, legal equality, or legal egalitarianism, is the principle that all people must be equally protected by the law. The rule of law is a political ideal that all citizens and institutions within a country, state, or community are accountable to the same laws, including lawmakers and leaders. It is sometimes stated simply as no one is above the law,